Hey guys, welcome back to today's vlog, and today we are in Market Turkish, and I'm here with my followers. Here's Dimple.
Say hi everyone.
Paula. Hi. So we are here to do a food safari by Peach PR. So we will take some food by like this. Like we have the map. You see that?
Yep.
Yeah, we have like this. We have some Thai food. We have pita. What is pita bread? Pho.
Vietnamese.
Yeah, so sushi. We have some burgers. We have another. No, I think this is Italian. And we have, of course, like this is Dutch with the fries. And yeah, that's it. And I will like bring you with me. So see you later.
Good evening everyone, a very warm welcome to Market 33. My name is Kelvin, I'm the founder of the food hall, and I'm very happy to see all of you. Thanks to the invitation from Anna and Femke, you guys will attend the food safari. I'm not sure how much you know about the area, Amsterdam Zuid. I think most of you have heard of it. I think also a lot of you don't really know what's going on here, because most of the people that work and live here know what's going on. As you can see, we've opened the food hall because we think that also this area deserves a place with delicious food, great drinks, and an inspiring atmosphere. So I'm very happy to see you all, and I'm very excited to see what you guys think of it. So again, welcome and enjoy your evening.
From Seth's Kitchen. Oh yeah, sorry. Okay, so we're gonna start here. Okay, what kind of food that you have?
We have steaks, basically. Sandwich with steak,
Yeah.
steak without bread,
Okay.
fries and salad.
Okay. Okay. Okay, that sounds okay. Is that one it tastes? Okay, can we? Because we started for group, so we're gonna be.
Yeah. So you're the first group.
Yes.
So we'll make samples for you.
Yes, no problem.
6.
6.
Perfect.
I'll have the. Can I have the duck?
I'm gonna have the
Wait, I'm
harissa.
gonna the duck.
I'm gonna have the harissa.
I'm gonna get the duck.
Harissa. Wait, you had my
Oh my god! Oh my gosh! It looked like you're making love with him.
Really? Just. Did you feel?
Oh my
have an
god!
orgasm?
Oh my god, it's so good. Oh my
With
fucking god, it's so
I'm
good.
gonna have.
There's hoisin sauce.
Yeah. Where's it?
I hate you.
Sorry.
It's okay.
Italian here. That is so. So guys, I just finished my food safari, and then the food is very, very good. And now I'm here with the owner of Market 33, Mr. Kevin Choi. Mr. Kevin Choi, nice to meet you, and a very good time inside. And I just want to ask you some questions regarding Market 33 and how did it happen, where the inspiration came from, building up this fabulous food court.
Well, thank you for being here, and thank you that you enjoyed the night. It's a bit of a story. We opened about a year and a half ago, but the idea started, I think, about more than 10 years ago when I lived in the States, where I got familiar with all the different food courts there. But always had the question, why it has to be fast food?
Yes.
So why Taco Bell, why Burger King,
Yeah.
why Pizza Hut? While the concept of you getting a pizza and me getting a burger, we sit at this table
Yes.
and have fun together, works. That combined with the popularity of food itself the last years made me think, why not a food hall in Zuidas, because this area is just developing rapidly. And people here should also have a location where they have great food and delicious drinks.
Especially, as you know, my viewers, like Amsterdam Zuid is like a business district of the Netherlands. I think it's the Netherlands, right? Or
Absolutely.
Amsterdam, yes.
Absolutely.
So for me, it's a very good idea. I really like it, like a lot. But of course, it's different taste. But the concept is very nice.
There's a bunch of stands that really love what they do.
Yeah,
One of them is that's Amore,
yeah,
the Italian
yeah.
guys.
That's amore. Yeah.
They come in every morning, make their pastas, make their sauces, and every single dish they make, they put all the love they have.
Yeah.
Everything.
Yeah, I've tasted it. It's very good. They've made a very good ravioli. I've lived in Bologna and Modena for 3 months, and I know like handmade hangimak pasta. So I can really tell like it's like really melting in your mouth. So I really like it. Why people from the city center should travel here in Market 33?
Because I think Market 33 is an excellent reason to have a great time, but also explore the area.
Yes.
Because the area, the Zuidas, is very unknown to people who do not work or live here.
Yes.
And this is an excellent opportunity for people to see this area, because it's rapidly developing and there's a lot going on, and it's exciting to see.
Come by here in Market 33, and Mr. Kevin Choi will welcome you.
Absolutely. See you soon.
Bye, guys. So I have going back to my followers and my subscribers. Happy birthday. Because I will make food that will always makes you feel good. Bye!